即阵入秋拢过啊，不过伫法国南部却又是出现42度的高温，连阿尼比苏山上悬的白龙峰嘛有33度。啊，那西班牙即阵面对热流冲击，一寡所在出现40度的高温，意大利嘛发布高温的红色警戒。
药房外口的温度显示器显示已经降到摄氏41度。事实上，法国南部23的气温已经达到摄氏42度，就算热人已经得要过啊。不过，法国还是面临第6波小影的侵袭，科学家嘛感觉安尼无啥正常。这波小影按算会持续到当地时间24。欧洲的气温一直升悬，受到极端气候的影响，在法国甲意大利交界的白龙峰出现摄氏33度的高温，地势石头落落来，甲冰川逼起的机会增加。这嘛，互真侪想要挑战这粒西欧上高峰的登山者再三考虑。
In terms of alpinism, it's terrifying because the routes have changed, the timing of the season has changed, the weather conditions have changed. Many of the routes that we would have climbed 5 years ago are now either not able to be climbed in the same style, yeah, it's scary to think that in another 5 years it will be even more different.
西班牙首都马德里嘛面临第4波小影的冲击。 部分地区23的高温降到摄氏40度，不少民众规气去喷水池凉一下。
Honestly, it's extremely hot. I don't have the AC in my apartment yet. Haven't installed it, and I don't know. I have a ventilator, trying to survive, not going out on the streets like between 12 and 5 or 6 usually. And I'm really hoping it's over. This is the last heat wave.
意大利嘛伫23、24发布高温红色警戒，27个主要的城市内底有17个就包括在内，亲像罗马、米兰、佛罗伦斯甲威尼斯。身体若较冷的民众，都要注意着刷或者是免疫力下降的情形。按算到25，还佫会增加2个城市会发布高温的警戒。公司新闻，新乐培编译。